Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Ghaffar. I hope you all, my friends, will be fine. I'm making these videos especially for those guys who are preparing the tests in public commissions and federal public commissions and other tests who appears. Especially I'm making this video for them who can easily remember the names of writers of the books. I'm making this video for those persons, and I request to you all that please pray for me and share my videos, those who are needed, share to others. And subscribe my channel, please. These are books, and I'm showing you the names of the books and names of writers of the books. You can watch easily. Once again, I request to you that please subscribe my channel, please, and share it. Thanks a lot. Allah bless you. And I once again say to you that please pray for me as much as you can, please. Thanks a lot. Allah bless you. Thank you.